Namaste, children. Today, in grammar section, we will just see determiners, and in that basically we want to discuss articles. What is determiner? It is a word that comes before a noun and limits the meaning. So, whenever a word which comes before the noun and it just limits, it puts the meaning of the word into the bracket. That is, it limits the meaning of the noun. Now, next, use of determination. You can also call use of determiners as types of determiners. So, there are almost 4 type of determiners. Articles a and the. You must have heard about this. This is not a new thing for you. Articles are a and the. So, before this, I wanted to tell you determiners are this is a wide group, and in that we have to divide this into 4 part, and in that 4 part we are emphasizing on articles. So, articles are a and the. A and an are indefinite article. Then the is a definite article. Now, next, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. This is this, that, these, those. Just we demonstrate, we show this, that, these, and those. These are called demonstrative adjectives. Just we show the size. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives, in this we see possessive. This is my, I own this, my, this is my pen. Our, this is our house, our. Your, that is your book. His, that is his pencil. It is her, it's her hairband. It's very funny. And there. So, these are called possessive adjectives, where you show the possessive, what you possess. Through these words you express your possession. Next comes adjective of quantity and numbers. Adjective of quantity and numbers. In this, you see some, any. Some means little, any, much, all, both, few, little, every, either, neither, one, two, and two numbers, first, second. So, this comes under quantity. Quantity, this shows the quantity of anything. So, quantity and numbers. 1, 2, first, second, this comes under numbers, and remaining comes under quantity. So, coming to, before going to this articles, I just revise this articles. What is demonstrative? First, it is a word that comes before a noun and it limits the meaning. Next, use of determiners. Articles a and the. A and the. So, there are so many determiners. If I go on reading, just listen to this. Determiners are a and the, some, any, much, many, several, few, little, each, every, all, both, either, neither, no, half, my, our, your, his, her, its, their, this, that, these, their, second, and so many. Still there are so many determiners. So, in that determiners, we divide determiners into these 4 parts. In that first part is articles. In that articles, you see a and the. A and an are indefinite determiners. The is a definite determiner. Next comes demonstrative adjective. this, that, these, those. We show. Okay. Next, possessive adjective. What we possess, we show by these words. My, our, your, his, her, its, and theirs. These are possessive demonstrations. Adjective of quantity and numbers. Adjective and quantity and numbers. Whereby using these words we show the quantity, whether it is less, more, this type. Some, any, much, all, both, few, little, every, either, neither, one. These are numbers. 1, 2, first and second, etc. So this is about determiners. Coming to articles. Articles, as I said, a and an. We should consider a and an are indefinite articles. Indefinite. We cannot to define something. We cannot use these articles. For example, I saw a man. I saw a man at the park. I saw a man at the park. See, it does not point out any particular or definite thing or a person. So, a man doesn't mean a man. It is not defining, it is not showing a particular thing or particular person. It is showing a man, general use. Okay, a man. A man may be anyone. Next comes, he was holding an umbrella. He was holding an umbrella. So, he was holding an umbrella. Sorry, he was holding an umbrella. It does not define, it does not definite who was holding umbrella. He was holding umbrella, and it does not definite the object. So this is about a and an. Some more examples are there. I will give you later. Next, coming to the. Okay, the. The is a definite article from which we show a particular person, a particular thing, a particular name, a particular place, so and so. The is the. So, in that this is the man whom I saw at the park. So, same example, I saw a man at the park. So, this is a man. This is the man I saw in the park. So what does this show? This the man. This is particularly you are showing this is the man. So you are showing that this is the man. Okay. So it is a definite. It shows particularly what you want to say, what you want to show, what you want to speak about. This is the umbrella which he was holding. This is the umbrella which he was holding. What you have said here? He was holding an umbrella. Usually, an comes where you pronounce you, and here you are used the umbrella. While you are saying particularly, this is the umbrella. Why? You are showing particularly, this is the umbrella. Okay? Particular, when you are showing it as particular. So there is a general rule. Okay? As a general rule, a common noun in a singular number must have an article before it. Okay? As I saw an elephant. Okay. When there is a singular number, what it is singular number, you have to show an article before it. I saw an elephant. He is a poor boy. He is a poor boy. Showing a singular number. I saw an elephant. I saw an elephant. An elephant means a single elephant. This is the book he gave me. This is the book he gave me. This is what? The book. This is the pen he gave me. This is that particular pen he gave me. One single pen. Another note is there. Please notice this. When we speak of a person or thing for the first time, we generally use the indefinite article. That is, indefinite article means a and an. But when we use the same a second time, we use the definite article. That is the. A man saw a thief. 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 The man caught the thief. The man caught the thief. So, the man caught the thief. Particular and singular. Particular and singular. Next term. As a general rule, common nouns in the plural number do not have the definite article. The place before them. So, definite article, we cannot put the definite article when you are using the common noun in a plural number. Okay. You cannot write the before a noun when you are referring to a noun which is in plural number. You cannot use the definite article when you are writing about a thing or noun which is plural in number. Which is plural in number. So, here I will give you example. Children like sweets. Children like sweets. So, where is the article here? Can you see any article here? Children like sweet. Children likes sweet. Children like sweet. Can you see any article here? No. Because children is a plural. Sweets is also plural. So, you cannot put a definite article before children or sweet. Now, again I will give you one more example here. Birds build nest. Birds build nest. Can you see any article here? Birds build nest. Can you see any article here? No, because bird itself is a plural and nest also plural. And whenever you are changing it to, see, I will change this. Children like sweets. The children do not like the sweets sold in the bazaar. The children do not like the sweets sold in the bazaar. So it is making a children. Children means it is limiting it to singular. Now, coming to correct use of a and an. Correct use of a and an. A is used, please listen carefully. A is used before words beginning with the sounds of consonants. Okay. A man, a cow, a girl, a boy, a lady. Okay. Consonant. Words beginning with the sound of consonant. You must be knowing what is consonant. M, C, man starts with the M. It is a consonant. Cow starts with the C. This is also a consonant. G, girl starts with G. This is a consonant. Boy starts with the B, a consonant. Lady starts with the consonant. L consonant. L is a consonant. So, whenever a word is used of consonant, then you have to use A. You have to use A. Next. Such vowels which have the sound of YU. Where you have to use A, where you get a sound of YU. For example, unit. Okay, a university. A university. Then a uniform. A uniform. Then a union. A union. Next, a utensil. A utensil. Then O. Then use of thing, useful thing. Now, did you get this? A sound. Pronunciation starts with YU. You should use A before these words. YU. That pronounced unity. Unity. YU. Unity. University. A uniform. A uniform. A utensil. So these are the words where you have to use A. A word starts with YU pronunciation. Then next, when O is sounded as WA. Okay, when O is sounded as WA. O is sounded as WA. WA. Yeah. 1 rupee. 1 rupee. WA. WA. 1 rupee. 1 rupee note. One-night game. Such a one. One-way traffic. One-man show. So, here, before one, you have to use A. Okay? Before one, you have to use A. Got it? Next. An is used before. An is used before. Words beginning with the vowel sound or a silent A. Words beginning with the vowel sound and silent A. What are the words beginning with vowel sound and a silent A, where the words begins with the, like for example, an I, an ox, an umbrella, an army, an honorable man, an honest boy, an hour, and so on. So, did you get what I am saying? An is used before words beginning with a vowel sound or a silent A, when the accent is not on the first syllable as. For example, an eye, an umbrella, an army, an honorable man. Okay, an honest boy, an hour, and so on. So there are some more words which starts with the an. Though it starts with some other pronunciation. B. Words beginning with the H and not accented on the first syllable as. Words beginning with the H and not accented on the first syllable. And historical. Historical. It is historical novel. An hotel. In modern English, a is used in place of an. It is not hotel. It is hotel. It is historical. Historical. Okay. Her is not used. H is not used. So these are the places where you have to use a, and there are some words where you have to use for vowels like and where the silent a is silent, where you have to use an eye, an ox, an umbrella, an army, an honorable man, an honest boy, an hour, and there are some more words. So coming to next term, use of indefinite article. Use of indefinite article. So for today we will finish here, and use of indefinite articles I will do it in my next video. Till then, just learn this and try to collect. I have told you already, you have to read the newspaper, you have to read the books. Wherever you find these things, you should try to find out why this is so. But I have already given you the notes. Write the notes, and whenever you are watching my video, just keep the notes before you and point out where madam is going on, where the teacher is teaching. You should point out an example also, observe and try to learn. Okay, and please any video sent to you, you should watch at least 3 times. Otherwise you cannot understand. One time watching is not enough for you. So watch every video 3 times, then only you can understand it better. For any feedback, just give any questions, you can ask to my personal number. I am anytime available. I can give you answers at any time. Till then, take care. Namaste.